So we are here at Foxton Locks today. We're going to sit down and have a picnic. So I will show you what Foxton Locks is like in real time. But I'm just parking up. It's £3.50 for 4 hours. So that's not too bad. So I'm going to sit down, have a nice picnic. It's 25 degrees out there today. So very hot, but looking forward to it. What have you been given? Someone giving you a ticket. So yeah. Why couldn't you do it? Because you've got no signal.
And he stuck it on. He's put a 5 on as well. So that lasts until tonight. That's,
perfect.
He said, "Oh, there's a little bit of time on that. It's more than a little bit of time though. We can stay here till 10 o'clock tonight."
That's good. So right. Free ticket. Woohoo! So the canal boats go through there and into the bridge. It's so steep. What about here? Just missed a narrow boat. The sill means you can't go past that. Otherwise, if your boat goes near that sill, then it'll flood it and you sink boat. That's what sill is. What are you doing? It's all right there. Okay, so we are here at Foxton Locks and we're just going to have a little bit of a picnic. We're making daisy trains. And I'm going to show you what we've got. So we have got some German salami and a smoked cheese selection. Very nice. And then we've got some Texas barbecue Pringles, some choco sticks, choco sticks. This is all from Aldi. Some full fat soft cheese, some grissini breadsticks. We've got some spicy sweet corn fritters, some tortilla chips and a snack white cheese, sour cream and chard and dip, and then we've got some potato salad and coleslaw, and then we've got some Vino Frizzante Prosecco. So that's what we are having today. I'm just going to go and get an ice cream. I bet that gets mucked up all the time, don't it?
It's a non-stop job, that.
Can you imagine?
We empty 3-4 wheelbarrows a day.
Oh, you're joking. Oh, we live on a boat, but we don't live, we live in North Kilworth.
Oh, right.
So we just come up here for the day. But oh yeah.
This boat's going to North Kilworth.
Sorry?
This boat's going to North
Oh, you're joking?
Yes. Where they're based.
Ah, so we might know them then. What do you do with it? Take it?
Goes into the orchard.
Yeah.
And, just gets recycled.
Yeah.
To the earth,
Yeah.
basically.
That's good. Just in time for a coffee and ice cream stop. Oh, someone's left a ball. Is that yours? No. It's now. I think it might be a bit big for him.
Yeah, a little bit.
No, she told everybody we've got no gas. It's not my fault. See you later. Thanks a lot.
Ice cream. I am.
That's me.
You guys live at North Kilworth? We do. Yeah. Yes. We'll see you there.
D6.
Where are we?
We're D. We're D5.
Right. What's your boat?
Happy Days. That's a lovely boat anyway.
Yeah.
That's brand spanking. That's new.
Yeah, it's cute.
Good fitting. Nice. It's only I reckon it'll push. That's 47.
Yeah.
I think so.
Ice cream.
It's not a little one.
It is. Do you know what worries me about bringing the boat up here? Look. Okay, I'm going to go get an ice cream. I'm going to go get an ice cream. Oh, the boat. Like, look how... You don't go... So do you think this guy fought in the World War? So here's Foxton Locks. This is the top of it. So this goes all the way down the hill. Look how deep that is. Quite deep. Whew, it's so hot today as well. 26 degrees I think it's there. Ooh, this is a steep one. Oh my god. Who made this? We've got chairs fitting that look like actual locks. Oh, look at that cute bridge. That don't move anywhere. Now, that is deep. That's as deep as Barrow Lock. Let's have a look. Oh, there's the Canal Museum I was talking about. Woo. I've got to walk round, all the way around, or shall I go that way? Oh, I'll just go round. Foxton Locks Canal Museum, I've not been in yet, so that's going there. I did this on one of my other videos. I was talking about the Foxton Locks Canal Museum. You know, I'm so hot right now, I literally just get in the water, but you do not want to get in this canal water, trust me. The British Canal waters are contaminated with everything. Wow, this is a long walk down. God knows how long it takes you to actually get your boat up there. But I'm sure I'll find out one day. I should have done this a couple of months ago, but we ended up being airlifted out of the water. See the Foxton Locks Inn coming up on the front. You see the colour of the water there? Dirty. You do not want to go into those waters, trust me. You come out with all sorts. So I'm hoping this video footage isn't too rough. It's on the canal basin over there. Wow, we're nearly at the bottom, guys. Woo. But this one's not first. There's a few more down there, but I'm not going to go that way. So this is lock 61 by the looks of it. The little canal. Foxton Locks in. And then I am going this way to the car park. Oh, it's so nice around here though. There's Foxton Locks in. Well-behaved dogs welcome. Designated dog areas inside.
Look at everything.
Okay. There we go, look, all lined up. Poppy around here. Huge wheel on the side here, I don't know what that's for. Right. Alright.